measure heights using the angle of elevation. So the objectives are, at the end of this actual measuring of heights, Manuelin must be able to identify at least 5 objects that she cannot reach by her hand, measure its height and distance using the clinometer, show solutions using the angle of elevation formula and discuss it to the class, and give the conclusion and recommendation to the future students in mathematics. So the introduction. The concept of angle of elevation is frequently utilized in relation to specifically in trigonometry distance. The angle between the horizontal plane and the oblique line from the observer's eye to an item above a man's eye is what is meant by the term. A clinometer can be used to measure a wide variety of things. A right angle triangle's angle of elevation or angle from the ground can be determined with a clinometer. Flagpoles, buildings, and trees that are too tall for you to reach the top of can all have their height measured with a clinometer. How to know the height of an object? Measure the distance between you and the object. Second, look through the straw at the top of the object by rotating it gradually. Make sure that you can clearly see the top of the object. Third, hold the clinometer steady and record the angle which the nylon makes on the scene of the clinometer. This angle is the required angle of elevation. Let be angle theta. Use this formula to get the height of the object. And the last is the formula, which is tangent theta is equal to height, your height from the ground to your eyesight over the distance. So here is my example number 1. So while walking in the street, Manuelin and her friend stops at the electric post. They want to measure the height of the electric post with an angle of elevation of 40 degrees. The distance between Manuelin and the post measures 4.2 meters. Her height from the ground to her eyesight measures at 1.55 meter. So the question is, how tall is the electric post? So the given is the angle of elevation is equal to 40 degrees, the height is 1.55 meter, and the distance is 4.28 meter. Solution is tangent 40 degrees equal to height is equal to 1.55 meter over 4.28 meter. So the height is 1.55 meter equals 4.28 meter tangent 40 degree. So the result of 4.28 meter tangent 40 degree, when we use the scientific calculator, the result is 3.59 meter. So next is height is equal to 3.59 meter plus 1.55 meter. So the result of the height of the electric post is 5.14 meter. So the second example is Manuelin's coach asked her to measure the height of the volleyball pole using the clinometer with an angle of elevation of 40 degrees. So the given is the distance is equal to 2.87 meter, the height is 1.55 meter. So the solution is tangent 40 degrees is equal to height is 1.55 meter over 2.87 meter. So the height is 1.55 meter is equal to 2.87 meter tangent 50 degree. So the result of 2.87 meter tangent 50 degree is 3.42 meter. So height is equal to 3.42 meter plus 1.55 meter. So the height of the pole is 4.92 meter.